So hi friends, welcome back to HKR Studios. As you all know, PUBG was banned in India due to some conflicts between India and China. Well, this was one of the saddest news for all the PUBG users in India. Well, I am also included in that list. After the ban in India, the PUBG developers get to know that almost 40% of the users are from India. This made them to rethink about its launch back in India. So finally it's gonna happen. The new version of PUBG is gonna be released in India. So in today's video, we will be discussing about the latest features and the changes made in PUBG. Well, all these informations I have got from some of the sources that I am using. So without wasting more time, let's get started. The Indian version of PUBG is gonna release in Microsoft Azure server. This is one of the smartest move done by the developers, because if you create a fresh server, it will take more time to reach maximum number of people. So as you all know, Microsoft is one of the famous servers and a famous company. So it will ensure maximum reach in people. Next, when you check out the visual changes in PUBG, the color of the blood has changed from red to green. And along with that, you know, in the beginning of the game, the character will have only a one-shot panty as the dress. So in the Indian version of PUBG, the character will be fully dressed even from the beginning of the game. These two changes have been brought according to the Indian sensibility and also as a precaution step in order to avoid a ban in future. The game is going to happen in a virtual training ground. 600 MB is the maximum size of the new version of PUBG. When I discuss this thing with my friends, most of them are telling like, oh, only 600 MB? Well, I don't think there will be a good graphics in the game. But actually, that's a wrong idea. Because once when you finish downloading this game, you can see that there will be small packages, each of less than 30 MB size. You can download it in order to enhance your graphics, and also you can download other new maps like this. So this 600 MB size has been brought in order to ensure a good gaming experience even in a phone having minimal specifications. When you look at the gameplay, it's almost similar to the previous version. The maps, the gaming experience, all are similar, so this won't bring any complications. Along with these features, I would like to add up two more features. Well, I am telling this separately because it's not a confirmed news. First one is that, as I told, the characters is fully dressed up from the beginning. The rumor is that the characters will be dressed up in Indian dresses. Like for example, I'm telling, they'll be dressed up in shirt and dhoti or in chudidar. This kind of rumors are getting spreaded. So, and even people are making calls out of it. But this is not at all a confirmed news. We can know more about it only once we start playing the game. And the second rumor is that, you see in PUBG there are some comments like, putting up voice chat, get in the car. This kind of voice comments are there in English. So in the Indian version of PUBG, they're trying to add up Hindi voice commands. Like that, a rumor is spreading. Not only Hindi but also other regional languages. But these two informations are not at all a confirmed one. So still I have added up because it's trending. That's why. So these are the informations that I have got. If you have more doubts, let me know through the comment section below, and according to that I will be creating another video. So these are some of the features and changes made in the new version of PUBG. I am very much excited about the launch of PUBG. Well, in the coming week you can expect its launch or the trailer of the new version of PUBG. So that's it guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos. And one more thing. October 8, 2020 was the time we have launched our first video. So now it's November 23rd. It's going to be almost 2 months. Till now, all the responses that I'm getting for my videos are positive. For that, I would like to thank all my viewers. And please keep on supporting me like this because your support is my strength. So that's it, guys. Thank you.